Hello everyone. I recently completed the market risk modeling program at Peaks to Tail, and I wanted to share my experience with everyone. The course was extremely practical and industry oriented. It covered in detail the Basel 3 FRTB, VAR modeling, stress testing, SCCR, derivative valuation, and other market risk analytical concepts, which had both Excel and Python. What I really appreciated was the strong focus on real world implementation and how the complex quantitative and regulatory concepts were explained in a very structured and easy to understand manner. Also, I come from a public sector bank risk management background, and this program played an important role in helping me bridge my transition towards investment banking and the advanced market risk role. Yeah, it significantly strengthened my understanding of all the modern market risk frameworks and improved my analytical and practical modeling skills. Yeah, so I am very grateful to mentor Satya and the entire Peaks to Tail team for designing such a valuable learning experience and for all guidance and support. Thank you.